5 Taoist breathing. So, again, your stance, relaxed, open, and we're going to work with the space within the space. So actually imagining that we're reaching into the energy body. And so first we're going to do the lungs, releasing grief, old stuck grief, and the sound is shang.
Shang.
And again, it's the same thing in terms of vibration. So we're going to do it 5 times in each organ.
Okay.
Okay. So again, reaching in, and you can even imagine turbidity or any dark, heavy things coming out. And then we're going to open the vortex. Phew. Okay. And then we're going to reach in the space within the space and shang.
Shang.
And with the exhale, yeah. Shang. 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 Yeah.
Okay, I like it.
And then guo, which is for the liver.
Okay.
So imagining dark, turbid, green energy, anger, frustration, annoyance, resentment, regret. And again, reaching in with the energy, imagining the energy of your fingers going into your liver, taking that energy out, right? So, guo, 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 guo. And then the spleen, which is distrust. We're not trusting ourselves. We're not trusting our spirit. We're not trusting the process. And because of that, it ensues anxiety, insecurity, nervousness. So get that shit out. So the sound is gong, 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 gong. Again, reaching in with the spirit. Gong. Spirit hands. Gong. One more time. Gong. Great. And then the heart, which is a ha. And then reaching in even behind the heart. So it's not just in the front, center, but also in the back, where a lot of things that we're not ready to see just can be released. Okay, so ha, 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 ha. Okay, and then fears in the kidney. And so we only do this 3 times in the kidney. We don't usually purge the kidneys because it also holds our energy reserves, but sometimes fears can get stuck in there and lodged. And so, and the sound is, it's also strange for me to pronounce, but it's like a zhra. Like that. Okay, I know.
Zhra. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Zhra. Zhra. Zhra.
Oh, okay, that made me feel really good.
Right? It's just
crazy. Wow.
Yeah. So sometimes
Okay.
Okay. And so when you do that, again, you want to do the waterfall because you loosen up a lot of things.
So I do 5. Okay, you're gonna tell me. You're gonna tell me.
So
Okay.
gathering waterfall, the blessings of a pure light waterfall, cleansing your cells, energy, and body. So again, imagining waterfall from heaven, strength, pure light, penetrating each cell, energy, spirit, body, and purifying, cleansing any remnants, anything that we might have kind of loosened and now is just needing to be purified and cleansed in our space, in our spirit, and in our environment. So then this, and then so now we're going to take, see like the environment, our space right here, we're going to actually go like this and then put it into the vortex, right? Just like gathering, because things got loosened up, and just doing that 3 times. closing it this way. Yeah. Okay.
Counterclockwise?
Yeah, this way. So opening
I
is.
don't think I closed it last time.
Okay. That's okay. That's okay. Now you
I
are.
let it all
Yeah, that's fine.
hang out. Oh, I love it. Okay.
So it's really simple. And we've got it taped.
Okay.
So then you will remember
So I still
it.
do the shush